welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to be talking about the prevalence of the tabs breaking on the DJI mini batteries, mostly relating to the Mini 3 Pro, the Mini 4 Pro, though I do believe that it has also been an issue with the Mini 2, the 2 SE and the Mini 4K. Let me know in the comments if you've had any issues with them. As I go through the video, I'll tell you how to prevent the tabs on the batteries breaking, where you stand regarding your warranty, repairing them if they do break, and also some other solutions that I've come across. So if you've not encountered a problem with the batteries, I'll just demonstrate what it's all about. If you take the batteries out very carefully, when you're pressing the tab down, it can fracture here. It can actually break clean off as well. So one solution I have found is if you take a little file like this on this penknife here and just gently file down the little tab there that holds it in position. Don't take a lot off, and when you go to click it back in, you'll still have enough spring there for it to clip in, but it will just help very slightly. Regarding the warranty of the batteries, I'm UK based. I got this 3 battery combo and I've had no problems with them. It's when I bought an extra battery. I'd only used it a few times and as ever very gentle with it, but it did break. So I contacted DJI, or shall be putting up how you get through to raise an issue with them on your warranty. And they sent me one, no bother at all. I did have to go through some extra things that I don't believe you have to in some countries, because they won't allow you to post them in our internal or our national postage. You have to put them in a bowl of water, salt water, take a video of it and send it to DJI to show them that you've ruined the battery, and you need to video the serial number on there to let them know that is the battery in question that has been destroyed, and they'll send you another one through the post. I'm not quite sure of what the time scale is, whether it's 6 months, 12 months, if there has to be any amount of cycles before they say it's, you know, heavy usage. But yeah, as ever, they're always very good to deal with, our DJI. If the batteries are out of warranty, there are solutions. I've seen one on AliExpress on the screen now, which is just the case for the battery. I don't know how easy it is to change it, but I believe you can just prise it open and it seems to be a genuine DJI case for the battery to replace it altogether. I've also seen as well for the Mini 3 Pro that people are buying things online that they can actually use to brace the battery, just so it'll hold it in the drone. If you're frightened it's going to fall out, that will brace it into position. I'm unaware if they are available for the Mini 4 Pro or the other models that I've mentioned, the 2, the 4K, the 2 SE, etc. Just a bit of extra information that I've just looked up. It does seem that a 12-month warranty is given by DJI. So if you go into the Fly app and get to the front screen, if you hit on the little heart icon, you've got 2 options there of service request or support. The support button will bring you to an online chat or an email or more information. The service request, if you hit that one, then you can communicate with DJI to get a replacement with that one. But anyway, thank you everybody for watching my video. Your continued support, your comments, your likes, shares, pressing the bell to get my updates each time I post one. It's very much appreciated. So until next time, thank you very much. Goodbye.